hitting Sonam Bhutia. So jump ball like control malieka छन् Nishchal Maharjan. Passes to Anil Khadgi. He's open. He pulls up. Nikesh kicks out. 3 to shoot. And he converts. Driving in. Kicks out to Soman. To Anil. He pulls up from the perimeter. And he drills the 3-pointer there. Vivek kicks out to Sudeep. And from the downtown, he drills the 3. Soyun driving in, and he gets that layup. Converts the first one. And the second one as well. Okay. Sudeep again. He pulls up. And that's the nothing but net from Sudeep Paudel. Because going open at the baseline. And again, that's nothing but net. Anil Singh, he pulls up and he converts. He drives, fakes, step through the floater, and the conversion. Nikesh Magar. Sonam Bhutia, he pulls up and he converts. Sonam Bhutia, point play here. And he does. Moving in. निकै नै राम्रो पास त्यहाँ राजीव जोशीको तर कन्फर्म पनि हुन सकेन अफेन्सिभ बोर्ड लिँदै अहिले ट्रान्जिसनमा सयुन राय ड्राइभिङ इन एन्ड लेफ्ट ह्यान्डेड लेअप एन्ड द्याट्स गुड फर टेक्निकल फल एन्ड ही कन्भर्ट्स अजय कुशवाहाले र बललाई अगाडि बढाउँदै निकेश मगर यहाँ ओपन शट फ्रम सुदीप एन्ड ही ड्रिल्स द 3-pointer नथिङ बट नेट Soyun kicks out to Anil. Yes, Anil. And he converts the 3-pointer. That's the answer. The passes to Soyun. And he lets the floater in. Soyun Rai. And kicks out to Anil Khadgi. The rebound Nishchal. He pulls up from the perimeter. And that's the swing. Reducing the lead to 4-point here. Nishchal Maharjan. So Rajiv Joshi to, and there's the reaching fall. Anil Khadgi go. That was really unnecessary fall. So flag on Kukaran. Ajay Kushwaha for the 2 bonus shots here. IC को 0 team fall. भने किर्तिपुरको फ्ल्याग अन भइसकेको छ अजय कुशवाहा वाइल्ड अटेम्प्ट ट्रान्जिसनमा गोल्डन गेट दे हैव द नम्बर्स राजीव जोशी ही गेट्स द लेअप निकेश मगरको क्विक आउटलेट क्विक गेम छ यहाँ जीजीआईसी को निकेश मगर नाइस पास देयर टु अजय एन्ड ही मेक्स नो मिस्टेक टु अनिल ही ड्राइव्स ही इज ओपन एन्ड ही गेट्स दैट एन्ड वन he has been shooting a good shot today and he converts. Sudeep Paudel, quick release and he converts. 2 bonus shots. He is a good shooter. He converts the first one. And for second he converts. Easy for him. Lucky kicks out to Sonam. He's open. He pulls up and he converts. He's open now. He beats the defender and he gets that layup. In immersion. Nishchal, he pulls up and he converts. Nishchal Maharjan. Again for the tie. Anil Khadgi. He ties the game at 32. Nikesh again. He's driving in. And layup is good. GGIC now here. Rajiv Joshi to Nikesh. To Sudeep. He's open from the corner. And again, that's nothing but net. So for second, Nikesh, he converts the second one. Sudeep to inbound, Nikesh. Because to Sudeep, driving in and left-handed release, and he banks it in. Nice pass. Rajiv Joshi to Ajay Kushwaha. Nishchal, he pulls up. Nothing but net. 5 seconds. Nikes driving in and a reverse layup is good. राम्रो pass यहाँ अजयलाई and he converts. Fakes, he pulls up from the perimeter. Rebound Manisal, a quick outlet here, Soyun Rai. And the left-handed layup, he converts. Ajay and Sudeep. The reverse is good. Using the glass to Anil. 5 to shoot. Soman. He makes no mistake inside the paint. Nikes driving in, going to the defender, and he lays it in. Nistal, he pulls up. But nothing but net there. Prasant, Soyun, ball agadi badhaउँदै. Nistal Marjan, he pulls up from the perimeter and he drills that three. Nikes Magar driving in and he banks it in. Vikas Gurung. Rebound लिएका छन् त्यहाँ Anil Kharki. Anil Kharki again driving in. And a good hand there. There are Soman Marjan. Nikes, easy move and Ajay driving in. And a runner is good. Lead पनि घटाउँछन् र यहाँ सयुन राईको निकै नै राम्रो. Rupesh Kharka pulling up the mid range. He drills it. Driving in, kicks out. Ajay, one extra pass. Vikas Gurung. Soman Marjan. Nistal, he pulls up again. A very quick shot there. And what a nice shot. Handles, but he loses the control. Transition by Nikes. 2-on-1. Rupesh Kharka there. And he converts. Ashish Marjan to Nikes Magar. Vikas Gurung. Namra pass there. Ajay Lai. He waits. And he converts. Ashish Marjan to Sudeep Paudel. Looking for a pass. Vikas Gurung, 5 to shoot. He pulls up and he converts. Handing off to Nikes. Rambo crossover there. And Nikes Magar for the 3-point play and he completes the 3-point play of this event. Lucky, a floater and it's good. Transition Maile, Kirtipo, Sonam Bhutia. Kicks out to Inab, he drives in, kicks out to Nistal. And he pulls up. And he drills that three. Sudeep. He pulls up from the perimeter. And he converts. Nistal. Nice pass there. And a left-handed finish by... They really need a bucket here. Sudeep. Looking for a pass. Vikas Gurung. He fakes, he drives, and he gets the open layup. So time just a little. So Prasad not being able to convert the first one, but he converts the second one. And he gets the open layup here, and it's easy for him to convert that shot. Then transition mark, they have the numbers 3 and 2. Nikes, and he converts. Nikes, good pass there. There are Ajay पनि Lamichhane. Sagar, sorry, he's not Lamichhane. Sorry, my bad. Nistal to Sonam, and he drills the three.